Hello everyone, welcome to my new channel. I'm making turmeric tea today, which is very good for weight loss and it reduces body inflammation. It is really good for cold and flu. To make this tea we will need following ingredients: 4 small pieces of ginger, 5 cloves, 1 small stick of cinnamon, few peppercorns and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. To make this tea we will need 1 liter water, add all following ingredients into this tea. Boil for around 5 minutes, then put this lid on and reduce the gas flame on low. Let it simmer for 10 minutes and then after that you can drink this hot or cold. You can pour this tea in cup. You can drink this 3 days regularly for cold and flu before bed. You can also add honey if you like, or you can drink without honey. So you can add 1 teaspoon of honey. Hopefully this video is helpful. If you like, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much. To make turmeric tea you will need 4 pieces of chopped ginger, 5 cloves, a small stick of cinnamon, a few peppercorns, a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 liter of water, a teaspoon of honey can be added for taste. Add everything to a saucepan and bring to boil. Let it boil for around 5 minutes, then reduce flame to low and let it simmer for 10 minutes. The tea is now ready and can be drank hot or cold. It should be refrigerated once cool and should be consumed within 1 week.